Hello, third grade. This is Module 7, Lesson 14. I can determine the perimeter of regular polygons and rectangles when whole number measurements are unknown. So that means that you can figure out what the perimeter is even if you don't know what all the sides are. So they want you to find the perimeter of this rectangle with unknown sides. So one side is 6 centimeters and the other side is 9 centimeters. So the work here shows if you add, you can add 9 plus 6 and 9 plus 6. And you're probably wondering where I found that other 9 and 6. Well, in some of the other videos, I had explained that if you know that this side is 6 centimeters and the other side is exactly the same size, it's the same measurement. So if this is 6, then that's 6 centimeters. If this is 9 centimeters, then that's 9 centimeters. And that is an attribute of a rectangle, that the opposite sides are the same length. Just like if it was a square. On a square, every side has to be the same amount. So if you see a square and one side is 2 centimeters, then you know every single side is 2 centimeters. So here, they added it up, and it came up to 30 centimeters. Another way that you could do this is you could, this is kind of a trick, you could do 2 times 6, because you know there are 2 sides that equal 6 centimeters, and 2 times 9, because there are 2 sides that equal 9 centimeters. You can multiply those up. So this would be equal to 12, because 2 times 6 is 12. And then 2 times 18, or 2 times 9 is 18. I'm getting ahead of myself. And then you just add those two numbers up. 12 plus 18 is 30. And that's exactly what they have there. I just always add the sides together, but this is another way you can do it that's probably a little bit quicker. So they want to know what is the perimeter of this rectangle. So this side is 8, which means that side is 8. And if this side is 10, then that side is 10. You could do what they did here and add them all up, or you could do that strategy I just taught you, which would be 8 times 2 and 10 times 2, because you have one side that is 8 and there are 2 sides that are 8, and you have a side that is 10 inches and you have 2 sides that are 10 inches. You can multiply those up and then add those together. Skip down here to an irregular shape. Not really irregular, it's a hexagon. This shape is a regular hexagon. How can each labeled side find the unknown lengths? Well, since you know that one side, and you know it's a regular hexagon, then you can find all the sides, because if it's regular, then every side would be 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And if you add all those together, you get 18. I'm hoping that this short video will help you when you complete the homework. I know that I just made the packets and they haven't been handed out yet. So if you're watching this video today, this is what you're going to be doing when you get the packets. And so, bye, third grade.